Hello everyone, this is your Tech RB, and today I'm going to be showing you how to factory default reset a CO-100 series lock from Schlage. Okay. The first step is you need to remove the battery cover from the inside of the door. And we'll go ahead and take and set that off to the side. Next step is you need to get access to the batteries, and one of the ways I usually do this is remove the top screw of the battery holder. And then able to slide the whole battery pack out. And then we're going to remove a battery. Set that battery off to the side. All right, now I'm going to show you what we're going to do here. Flip the lock back around because we're going to need access to the front side. What we're going to do is to factory reset it, we're going to press and hold the Schlage button down while reconnecting the battery. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. So press and hold, reconnect. We'll get 2 beeps and 2 green blinks on power up. Immediately press and release the Schlage button 3 more times. You'll get a beep with each press, and then a 1-second long beep at the end indicating that the unit reset. Right, now the unit is ready to go. You can program it from scratch as per the manual and reassemble your lock. Thank you.